Teachers, imagine your lesson PDF magically becoming a learning game in seconds. Let's explore StudyFetch. Go to StudyFetch.com. It's an AI-powered platform that turns your materials into flashcards, quizzes, and even interactive games. Upload your lesson PDF, whether it's about science, history, or language, and let StudyFetch do the magic. StudyFetch instantly creates questions from your content. Choose your favorite game mode: quiz, flashcards, or challenge mode. Try StudyFetch today and bring your lessons to life. Link in the comments.
Tech and Teach, where smart teachers meet smart tools.